Hi, I'm ADC of Purchase Rationale and also the author of Trend is Friend. The date today is 8th of March 2023. It's Wednesday and the time now is 12:48 p.m. Malaysian time. Purchase Rationale rationalizes 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. However, I must put in a disclaimer first here that whatever I share here is purely for information and education only. Should you decide to take action to purchase anything that is discussed here, please first consult a financial planner or a licensed broker. The stock today that we are going to talk about is a third revisit because it's a continuing trend momentum stock, and the stock in question is Master Pack Group Berhad. All right, and the stock code is 7029. I will not go through the fundamental again because in my reposting of my previous video on the 6th of March, which was my second revisit, you will be able to listen through the fundamental again. But what I'm going to do today is just to look at the chart. As you can see, today is a green candle. It has gone up and somehow came back again at the closing of 12:30 lunchtime closing. And it looks promising because this is what I call a squeeze breakout. All right. However, remember that master pack is on the fifth wave impulse wave number 5 on the microwave. Okay, so it's almost reaching the target profit of this particular stock. So should the closing price at 12:30 just now was 2 ringgit and 74 cent. So should you buy at 2 ringgit 74 with a target price of 2 ringgit 94 and a stop loss of 2 ringgit and 61, there will be a thinner reward to risk ratio of 1.59 times. Like I said, this is a third revisit, so it has been ascending through the trend and momentum. Okay, so the ROC still looks strong today. Basically, it's above the neutral zero line, and it has stayed above the neutral zero line uh, since the 16th of August last year. All right. So, well, this is almost reaching the target price. So remember, uh, if you have brought previously, just continue to let it run. And should you decide to buy a bit today for trading purposes, remember to take profit at 294. Right? Uh, well, if you think this trading idea is informational and educational, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember to smash the bell to be notified of any future new video that I make. When you like, it helps the channel grow. When you share, it allow others who are interested to watch the video too. And should you subscribe and also smash the bell, you will be able to automatically continue to be notified of future new videos that I make. Now, should you not understand any of the terms I use here, kindly post a question at the comment section below, and I will explain what the term means to help you understand more fully. Thank you for your time and listening to my video. You have a good day and bye bye. I'm Eddie C. of Purchase Rationale and the author of Trend is Friend. The date today is 6th of March 2023. It's a Monday, the first day of the week, and the time is 2:02 p.m. Malaysian time. Purchase Rationale rationalizes 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. I have to put in a disclaimer before I do my presentation that whatever I share here is purely information and education only. Should you decide to take action to buy a particular stock that is discussed, please first consult a financial planner or a licensed broker. The stock today that we are going to talk about is one that I have done before on 1st of March. Uh, so this is a second revisit, meaning the stock is in a continuing trend momentum. And the stock in question is Master, Master Pack Group Berhad. All right, so it's a packaging company, and the stock code is 7029. Okay, I won't be redoing the fundamental, nor am I going to do the chart explanation. All I can say is that the candlestick today has done a MA rebound, a long green candlestick here. You can see a long green candlestick, and it's above the MA21. So looks like it is a continuing trend momentum. So the current price now being done at the close of the 12:30 bell just now is 2 ringgit and 68. And should you buy at 268 with a target price of the apex of impulse wave 5 here, 2 ringgit and 95 cents, with a stop loss of 2 ringgit 49 cents, you will have a reward to risk ratio of 1.37 times. Okay. So I will leave it to you to watch my previous video on 1st of March and see if this stock is of any interest to you. Okay, so please help me to like, share, and subscribe. If you think the trading idea shared is informational and educational, when you like, it helps the channel grow. When you share, it allows others who are interested to watch the video too. And if you subscribe, you will be notified of any future new videos that I make of similar nature to you. So you won't miss out any new discussion of stocks that I make. Okay. Now, if you do not understand some of the terms or nomenclature I use to discuss here, kindly ask a question in the comment section below. I shall explain what they mean and will help you to understand what you do not understand. Thank you for listening and your time. Have a good day and bye bye. Hi, I'm Eddie C. of Purchase Rationale and also the author of Trend is Friend. The date today is 1st of March, the beginning of the month, and it is a Wednesday, and the time now is 12:51 p.m. Malaysian time. Purchase Rationale rationalizes 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. Disclaimer though, for whatever I share today and here are mainly for information and education only. Should you take action to buy a particular stock that is discussed, please first consult a financial planner or a licensed broker. Today, I'm going to do two things. One is to explain an exit strategy because there exists a chance now one of the stock indicated that it is time to exit. So I will explain. The other, of course, is to explain a new stock trigger, right? So the first one that I'm going to discuss is actually Inno price. Okay. Now, should you look at the chart now? Uh, the first one is for those of you who are still holding this particular stock, Inno price, stock code 6262. Uh, may I suggest and recommend that you exit now because one, it has broken the Elio wave requirement of falling below the impulse wave 1. If you look at here, impulse wave 1 is 1 ringgit and 52 cent. Okay, as of today, the price has fallen below 1 ringgit and 52 cent and is now doing at 1 ringgit and 45 cent. So it has fallen below the impulse wave 1, and here you can see 1, 2, correction, 3, and it has now fallen to below impulse wave 1. You look backward at 145, and also it has fallen below the cloud, and it has also fallen below the MA233 line. So this is now under what we call the bearish momentum. All right, it has broken the trend, fallen below our trend, and also on a momentum, bearish momentum. All right. And if you look at the ROC, it has also crossed below the zero neutral line. So it looks like Inno price is due for quite a major retraction or a correction. So those of you who are still holding Inno price stock code 6262, kindly exit. All right. So for today, the stock triggered today is Master Master Pack Group Berhad, and the stock code is 7029. All right. First, let's take a look at the fundamental. Okay. The operating earning yield percentage is 15.85. What it means is that for any differentials that exist between the intrinsic value and the market price uh, should be able to be covered by the operating earning yields percentage of 15.85. Okay, and on the magic formula aspect, operating yield plus ROIC, it yields a cumulative collective yield of 32%, all right, which far exceeds my arbitrary acceptable level of 15% by more than 2 times. So, combining, it first fulfill the magic formula. It has a low enterprise value to EBITDA ratio of 2.61, which is my favorite acquirer's multiple. All right. Anything below 10 is acceptable, meaning you are buying at a good valuation for the company against its operating earnings. All right. A low PAC ratio of 0.12, anything below 1 shows that this company still has way to go for its future growth. Pays a dividend yield of 2.4%, positive free cash flow of 22 million, a good Poitras TF score, meaning in terms of earning, leverage, and also management efficiency, it has a score of 7. All right. Anything between 7 to 9 is a company for you to pay attention to. And Mastercard scores a good 7 figure. And Augment Z score of 4.06. Actually, the Augment Z score measures the probability of the company going bankrupt within 2 years. Anything below 2.5 is a trigger, but it has 4.06, so there is no fear of Masterpac going bankrupt in the next 2 years or more. Okay, it has a market cap of 143 million. Uh, the current ratio is 5.34, meaning anything above 1.2 indicates that Masterpac is able to more than meet its commitment. Okay, of should there be any debt or borrowings that they have. But we know that Masterpac is a net cash company because it carries a net debt of negative 51 million. Okay, and it has a net debt to EBITDA ratio of negative 1.75, meaning it's a debt-free, free or borrowing company, and has a healthy retained earning of 69 million ringgit. Right. Overall, I can say that Masterpac Group is a investment grade company, and we will be interested to know what the market shows today for Masterpac. Okay, currently Masterpac is selling at 2 ringgit and 62 cents at the close of the 12:30 bell today. Okay, slight retracement, but it is still above the MA21 line. In terms of trend, you can see that actually there are many higher lows forming. Okay, one here, one here, one here, and one here, and the current higher low is also above the MA21 line. Okay, so the trend is confirmed. Momentum wise, it is the price action or the price candlestick is above the cloud, and looks like it will rebound at the MA21 line. All right, and you can see all the MA lines of 21 and 55 is above the MA23 line. So you can say that the momentum is on a bullish side, based on this white line. Okay, it's an ascending white line, so it has a positive momentum, and you can see that The ROCMA line is above the neutral zero figure since 15 August of last year. Okay, so momentum wise is also confirmed, and it is currently on the impulse wave 4 going to the apex of wave 5. Okay, so should you buy at the current price? Let's shift it down a little bit. Price has come down a little bit today. So should you buy at 2 ringgit 62 cent with a target price at the apex of impulse wave 5 of 2.99, or let's say 3 ringgit, with a stop loss of 2 ringgit and 48 cent, it will yield a reward to risk ratio of 2.71 times, which is quite a handsome reward to risk ratio. Okay, so looks like sentiment wise, amongst the rather quiet market today, Masterpack seems to be the stock that triggered for the day. So that's why I am taking a look at this particular stock amidst the rather quiet market. All right. Well, if you think what I shared today on Master Pack Group Berhad is informational and educational, please like, share, and subscribe. Well, when you like, it helps the channel grow. And when you share, it allows others like yourself, who may be your friends, your family members, or other vested investors who may be interested to watch this video too. Okay, and when you subscribe, uh, you will be notified of all future new videos of such that I make, and you will be notified automatically. Right. The other thing is, if you are unable to understand some of the terms I talk about or use, kindly ask a question in the comment section below, and I will explain what they mean and help you understand what I share. Okay, put forward your question below, and I will try to explain to make it easy for you to understand. Thank you for listening and also your time. You have a good day, and bye bye.